Hey guys, this is Paul from Cpanel and I welcome you to another video tutorial. If you are here, it means you've probably got your free website or you've just signed up for any of our hosting packages, right? If you've signed up for the free website, congratulations. If you didn't, it means probably the special has ended. However, don't worry because each and every year we always bring the special, right? So yeah, whether you have signed up for a free website or whether you have signed up for just an hosting service, email hosting, web hosting, it's fine because this video tutorial will cover every one of you, because the most important thing after you've paid for your services and you've activated we have activated your services, the most important thing is now to come to bunnyhost.com, log into your client section, and then be able to set up your emails. So we're gonna go to bunnyhost.com. So yeah guys, congratulations to those who got the free website. So remember, when the website opens, if you're watching this video, if you still see the free website banner here, it means you can still apply for a free website, right? But if you don't see it, then it simply means the special has just ended, right? So hard luck guys, if the special has ended, you're gonna do it next time. So now we're gonna click on client zone because that is where we are going to log in. Remember, you have paid and now you are a client. So yeah, I've clicked on the client zone. So now we are in the client zone. So remember guys, the email that you used to register, if you don't remember that email guys, if you do not remember that email, just check where they actually send invoices to you, then you'll remember that's the email you used. So mine was paul@gmail.com, and then the password guys, remember we spoke about the password and I said to you, you need to make sure that you save this password somewhere, write it down somewhere so that you can remember it later for logging in, or you can always actually use a password, create a password that you've always been using on other platforms, of which it's not advisable, but you can do that because it's easy for you to remember and log in website. So I'm going to click login because I already found the password guys. I already found the password, so you click login. So here guys, you can see your invoices. Make sure that your invoices are up to date, they're paid, and then that's the ticket section. The ticket section, that's where you open all your tickets, your queries. If you want technical support, this is where you come in and you lodge a ticket, and then this is for tracking purposes so that you can be able to see if they have replied to you and how far you've gone with it, and then if ever the problem has been fixed, and then we close the ticket for you, right? So yeah guys, now I'm going to click on the services, right? Services, that's where you find all the services that you have ordered, and then you can see here on the left it says one active service. So this means whenever you buy another type of hosting, it will reflect there that okay, you've got 2 services or you've got 3, etc, etc, because there's many services that Bunnyhost offers, like VPN services, web security, and all this kind of stuff. So now I'm going to click on active, the one written in green there. I'm going to click on active because that is where we are going to enter into your Cpanel so that we can be able to set stuff for you. So on your left on your left side, on the actions, there's login to Cpanel. So I'm going to click that, login to Cpanel, and then after I've logged into Cpanel, that's where we're going to create your emails, because most importantly, emails are going to be the things that you deal with mostly. So say create an email account. So yeah, here I'm just going to say info at, okay, no, you have to remove the at guys because it's already written there on the site. né? It's at paulwarawara.co.za. So for you, it's going to be at yourcompany.co.za. And then here, I'm going to write an email that I remember. For the purpose of setting up this email, you're going to need the password. So guys, make sure that you create a strong password so that you can see that mine is strong, and then from there you click on create because the password is strong. Yep, the password has been created, guys. However, if you want to manage change passwords and all those kind of stuff, you can click on manage, and then you can click on connect device. This one, it will give you instructions on how to set up your emails on Outlook, to link them with Gmail. You set up on your cell phone. So you've got the secured SSL settings, and then there's a non-secured SSL settings, of which I do not recommend. However, in case the above ones don't work, you can always use the ones below. But however, guys, I'm going to create a video. Please check the link in the description. The video is already there, in fact, because by the time I post this video, it would have been created. Yeah. So I'm going to create a video whereby I'm going to show you how you can set up your emails on Gmail. You can link with your already existing Gmail account. This is the most effective way, guys, because Gmail is more convenient, unlike Outlook, because Outlook, you only access it when you're at your office, when you're opening your laptop and all those kind of stuff. But with Gmail, if you set it up on your Gmail, whether as long as you have your Gmail on your phone or any device, you can be able to access emails, and then you can be able to respond effectively to your clients who will be communicating with you, whether you're on the road or whether you're on the office. So yeah, guys, thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, and please comment and click the notification bell, so that we can be able to post new videos and you'll be able to be notified whenever the new video is uploaded. Thank you so much.
Get yourself a free website from pennyhouse.com. T's and C's apply.